I will demonstrate a practical men's hairstyle. First, use hair clipper to shorten the hair underneath the model. Combine Vern styling scissors 6E and Vern cutting scissors 6E together to use. I perform a texturizing to cut technique, where the 6E cuts the length, and the 6E softens the hair ends, resulting in a natural effect at hair ends. For the top section, I trim the hair to achieve visible softness at hair ends, which isn't easily created with a single straight scissor. Changing the scissor combination order. I cut the length for the bangs by texturizing to cut. Between each hair slice, I use a slanting texturizing technique to support the hair roots and create volume, making the hairstyle look more three-dimensional.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.